Hi, my name is Mike Farrington. I'm the Vice President for Distribution at the construction segment here at Crum Forster. Joining me today is James Hunt. James is a Senior Risk Consultant in our Risk Engineering Division. Hello, James. How are you doing today?
How's it going, Mike? Good to see you.
Nice to see you. So listen, as a Senior Risk Consultant, working with our agents and, of course, their clients and their customers and potential new clients, what is your primary objective? What do you look for, and how do you deliver on this critical value-added service?
Well, when I'm out on a client visit, my primary objective is always to get a deeper understanding of the business that we're insuring. What kind of projects are they taking on? Who are they working with? How do they do things? And what's the company culture like? At the core of it, insurance is really a partnership. And insurance companies, brokers, and insureds all have the same common goal of getting the job done without any accidents or injuries or property damage. So when I'm making a visit, it's a consultation, and I'm always looking for ways to make improvements. Sometimes that's a recommendation or a piece of advice. Sometimes that's looking in our arsenal of client resources to make something better or to fill in a gap. You can't make a contribution to a company that you don't understand, so that's always the primary objective.
So, in other words, your work is more consultative than corrective. Uh, you
Yeah,
guys go
absolutely.
out there and you take a look at what their operations are, and then you go ahead and try as best you can to provide whatever consultative ideas, services, direction, whatever it may be, for them to successfully run their business in a safe manner. So, in your years of working in this capacity, what's the most significant risks our clients encounter, and what kind of solutions does Crum Forster provide?
So I have a really wide variety of clients, everything from the MEP trades or carpenters or glazers. We even have a whole book of business of companies that use explosives in construction projects and in quarries. But regardless of the trade, the riskiest part of everyone's day is the time they spend behind the wheel. So that's where GPS tracking and especially dash cameras come into play. I could talk about that for all day long, but GPS and dash cameras really can help you manage your drivers, and my friends in the claims department will tell you that it makes all the difference when it comes to managing a claim. Our risk engineering department has made strategic partnerships with some of the best vehicle technology vendors so that our clients can trial the technology and pay a reduced rate as Crum Forster insureds.
That's quite a bit that you guys are doing. And one more thing I wanted to ask you today is recently, I guess in 2025, Crum Forster launched a program for brand ambassadorship where members of the CNF team try to get closer to our customers, get closer to what really makes our customers want to choose Crum Forster to be their, of course, insurance carrier. And I understand that you were recently selected to be one of those ambassadors. Again, an important, very prestigious honor here at CNF. What does that mean to you?
Yeah, so I'm really excited to have been selected as a brand ambassador. Before coming to Crum Forster, I was a safety manager for a mechanical contractor in New York City, but I didn't have any insurance experience except from on the other side of the table. So Crum Forster kind of took a shot on hiring me, but it turned out that I ended up working for an amazing company. I remember I'm the one that's out there shaking hands with clients, and my job wouldn't be fun at all if I was out there representing a company that I didn't believe in. So I'm really proud of this opportunity to represent Crum Forster. Since it's the 2026 brand ambassador program, we're just getting started, but I'm sure that the program is going to help me do a better job of showing our clients and our broker partners that Crum Forster is a great company to do business with.
Listen, I know what you mean. I think Crum Forster took a shot on me back in 2017, and frankly, I'm very happy for it. So James, listen, thank you very much for your time today. I know you're a very busy guy, and I'm so glad we were able to take this time this afternoon, get to know you a little bit better and how you approach your role as a senior risk consultant, and also congratulations again on your on being chosen to be one of the brand ambassadors for 2026. Listen, have a great afternoon, and again, I appreciate your time. Take care now.